Hi everyone, and welcome to Tech Solutions Hub YouTube channel. It's your friend and technology instructor, Tech Wizard, and this channel is passionate about helping people who are blind or visually impaired to live more independent and fulfilling lives through technology by sharing and uploading the latest news and updates on technology for the blind. From time to time, you will be hearing different voices on the channel who will be covering everything from new assistive devices to accessible apps and softwares. These personalities will also be sharing tips and tricks on how to use technology to your advantage. We will be so glad if you can subscribe to the channel. I hope you'll find our videos helpful and informative. Please feel free to leave comments, share the videos, and suggest topics for future videos. Together, we can make technology more accessible for everyone.
The instrumental for this video is provided by InnerSanctum Entertainment Ltd.
Good day everyone, how everybody's doing great. Yes, I go by the name Godwin, and this is a tutorial on how to convert your video into an audio using Xender. So yes, let's go.
iOS Launcher, Apps.
First, let me open Xender application.
Play Store, capital F, Play Store, Phone, Settings, Sound Recorder, File Manager, Xender, Column 3. Xender. Skip to greater than sign. New notification, tab.
Yes,
That's
so
out of list.
after opening your Xender, then touch the bottom of your screen, close to the home screen.
Social, tab, 4 of 5, inlet. Selected, tab, 3 of, top 3, tab, 2 of
So
5.
top 3, it's not top 3, it's MP3.
Words. Character, capital T, capital O, capital M, capital P. Free.
Yeah, so then you select it, you open the tab.
Top 3, selected.
So either you swipe right or you touch the middle of your screen.
From IGMA, 1. Player MP3. The one 480p. 64 points. Player MP3 more up. Alert IGMA Hotel. Select video.
So you say select videos. Either you touch the middle of your phone screen or you swipe right from here.
Social. Tab. Selected. Tab. Selected. Top 3. Tab.
Top
2 of
3,
5.
then swipe right.
Tab. 3. Social. ME. Tab. X navigation transfer replaced. Unlabeled. Off. G. Top 3. Out of list. Select video. In lit. Alert IGMA Hotel. 450. Select video.
So select video, then double click.
Recent.
So after selecting video, then you swipe
Recent. Search.
to search. If you have the video you want to use in mind and you still remember the title of the video you want to use, then keep
More
on
option.
swiping.
Not checked. Not checked. Browse. AI Drive. Gallery. Recent. List view. Unleashed 4. Preview the file on the one 480p MP. Preview the file. Resident Evil Define. Preview the file. Resident Evil
preview
Final
the
Chapter
file.
360p MP4.
Preview the file, it means to preview the file you want to use, the video you want to use, in case you're not sure about the video you want to use. Now I'm gonna swipe backward.
Resident Evil. Preview the one 4. Preview. List view. Gallery. Drive. AI Gallery. Browse file. Not checked. Not checked. Large. More option. Search.
So I click on search.
Search. Edit box. Showing English. US. Court.
Then I will type the title of the video I want to use.
C. S. C. Y. Yankee. T. R. Street. I. L. Lima. K. D. Delta. R. Romeo. E. Search. Keyboard hit. Clear query. Not checked. Large files. Checkbox. Not checked. Browse files in AI Gallery. Drive. Gallery. Files. List view. Strike a pose MP4. 20.01 megabytes. May 24th. 1 of 2. In list. 2 items.
Yeah, so there's the video I want to use, strikeapose.mp4. So then you just double click.
Strike a pose. 80%. Alert IGM host.
So now your video has been successfully converted into an audio. Now this page,
Select video.
after clicking the video you want to convert rather, it's going to take you back outside
Top
to
3
where you
out of
had
list.
this.
Select video in list.
Select video. Now
Strike
this
a pose.
page is where you're gonna find the videos you have converted. Yeah, a video you have converted into an audio.
Player MP3 more
So
op.
these
Button.
are the videos I have converted.
Strike a pose. 1.4. Play from IGM. 187 kilobytes.
Now let's go check my file manager to confirm if the video I selected has converted into an audio.
Highest launcher. Apps. File manager. Sound. File manager.
Yes,
Row
file
2. Column
manager.
4. File manager. Search. Recent document. Audio. 638.
this is-
Row 1. Column 1. In grid. 2 rows. 4 columns.
So this is audio.
File manager.
Then I swipe right.
Audio. Title. Strike a pose MP3. Size 1.47 megabytes. 1 of 638. In list. 638 items.
You can hear it. You can hear it. Strike a pose MP3.
Strike a pose MP3. Size.
Yeah, so that's how you can convert your video into an audio using Xender.